Welcome back to part 2 of our technical tour of this Ulstein 719R offshore standby vessel. It's an emergency rescue vessel, and we're going to be taking a tour through the engine room and the systems with the chief engineer, Mario, who is very knowledgeable and justifiably proud of one of the cleanest and best managed engine rooms I've ever seen on a yacht or a commercial vessel.
Diesel generator, yeah, this is one diesel generator, harbor generator of what we have on the, it's very good condition, yeah. We not have any issues with this generator, always running and only the port, yeah.
And this is Volvo.
Yes, Volvo Penta, quite good model, yeah.
Yeah.
All the manuals, yeah, what we have after this Norwegian crew, yeah. All drawings. Here we have this harbor generator, yeah, shaft generator number 1, my engine, and shaft generator number 2. This is hydraulic units, if you look here, for cargo fuel pumps, yeah. For cargo pump, a deck and a tugger winch, yeah. All hydraulic what we have. The starboard my engine, starboard shaft generator, reduction gear. We always keep this clean and make maintenance, follow the instruction from T-Master, yeah. All details and the main engine you have also here, yeah. Quite good engine. Very brave.
Rolls Royce. So these engines have been good for you?
Yes. We tested last time, yeah. This is seawater pumps, yeah. This is number 2, number 1, and this is emergency, yeah. The ballast pump is nice system, yeah, because if this pump fails, and this emergency one and the forward, yeah. Still we can use the ballast like fire, yeah. We open this valve and we have supply for fire line, yeah. This is freshwater transfer pump, yeah. We also last time pumping about 300 tons water, yeah, out. Yeah. This is like CO2 bottles. This is not CO2. This is halon, yeah, old system, yeah. Fuel oil purifier. Good company, I think.
Yes.
My favorite, Alfa Laval, the best in the world. This is loop oil filter and heater, yeah. Now it's off because we save power. Because this gen is not enough for everything. It is quite new fuel sounding system, yeah. Okay, we go into pumping room.
So this is a huge space here.
Yeah, a lot of space. This is fuel oil, yeah, cargo pump, yeah. Very strong pump, yeah.
All right.
And here is pumps, hydraulics pump. Everyone is hydraulic, yeah.
All right.
Not even needed.
So for our purposes, we don't need any of this.
No.
So we could clear out this entire space.
And cut this pipe, yeah, because this is everything from mud tank, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
This is transfer pump to mud tank. This is bilge manifold. This is ballast water manifold, yeah.
Mud tanks are above us.
Yeah, above. Also can cut and you have a lot of space.
Yeah.
Huge. We can check in the drawings how big it is. And it's huge. Okay, this is stern thruster.
So on either side of us here are...
This is ballast.
Ballast, sorry.
It was tested by Forstay, yeah, last time, a few days ago. Okay, we can go to cement room, yeah? Also the coolers, yeah? It's loop oil, seawater, loop oil, yeah? Two loop oil, 2 seawater coolers, yeah? This is clean power. We call clean power because we have 60 Hz on board, yeah? This is make some devices is working for 50, yeah? That's why we have like purifier is working for 50 hertz, yeah?
Okay.
This cement rooms, 3 cement, huge tanks. It's a lot of space here. We can also go in down and look.
Yeah, they go down at least like
Yeah.
another deck and a half.
Yes, this is a lot of space. You can make a good swimming pool here.
Yeah, no, big jacuzzi. I think you can have a hot one, medium, and ice.
We going down?
Sure.
Okay. Emergency fire pump, yeah. It's tested every week. It was also tested last time with the port stay. Everything working fine. 3 hydrophore pumps, yeah. We use
So we are probably 3.5 meters.
or more. This is 250 centimeters about, yeah?
400.
Oh, this will be 3.5. And boat thruster, yeah? Also working good. Mariusz Burchacki, Chief Engineer, Atlantic, offshore.
And where are you from, Mario?
Yeah, I'm from Hell, just one L, yeah, from Poland. Small city, yeah?
Yes.
North of Poland. Very nice summertime.
And how long have you been on this boat?
Oh, 3 years. Start this company from the 2013. Yeah?
How do you like the boat?
Very nice boat, brave boat, yeah. Last time is proof, yeah, because it was 80 knots almost showing the bridge, yeah, 80 knots.
But you were comfortable in here.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
And many thanks to Mario from the Yacht Channel for a great tour of the engine room and the system spaces on this Ulstein 719R in Bergen, Norway. We hope you enjoyed this 2-part technical tour of this standby vessel, and we look forward to bringing you more vessels in the future.